Hey, we're the Marine Response Team and today we're going to show you how to make beeswax wrap. Step 1, find some fabric that you don't need any longer, preferably 100% cotton, and then cut it into a square of any size.
Step 2, grate some beeswax.
Step 3, put the fabric on some baking paper and sprinkle some beeswax over it. Make sure it goes all the way to the corners.
Step 4, put between 2 baking paper sheets and then iron towards the outside. You can always put some more shavings around the edges. It's always better to do too little than too much.
Okay, so now it's over. So you can take it and cover your food with that.
You can also do it in the oven, heat to 150. Put it in the oven for about 5 minutes and wait until the beeswax is melted. Take it out, let it cool for just a few minutes. Check that there's no edges that don't have beeswax and it's all done.
If you need to clean them, don't use water that's too hot because it will melt the beeswax. And the one thing that these aren't very good for is meat, so go vegetarian.